Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Berlian Mika Cahyani and I am the student of English Education in Muhammadiyah University and my last student number is 1714. I divide my presentation into some part that is definition, factor, example, and cases, solution, and the last is conclusion. First, I will explain to you about the definition of adolescent. According to Elizabeth Hurlock, adolescence is a period transition from the children to adults that includes mental, emotional, social, and physical maturity. Adolescence is from 13 until 18 years old. They weren't kids anymore, but they couldn't be said to be adult again, and in this phase, they are looking for their life, trying new things and making mistakes. And these mistakes makes our parents or the environment around them feeling worried. This looking for self-identity with these mistakes can be called juvenile delinquency. Youth is an asset for the future of nation. If we cannot educate youth in the right way, how will our nation will be in the future? That action from the adolescents who are still in the search for their identity often disturb the peace of others. The mistakes that disturb the peace of the surrounding environment, such as going out at night, spending time just for fun, such as drinking, illegal drugs, fighting, gambling, and others, that will harm their self, their family, and others people.
Then, what is the causes of the juvenile delinquency? There are two factors, namely internal and external. The first is internal factors. Internal factors including the example is personality factors. Personality is a dynamic organization in the psychosomatic system of an individual which determines his unique way of adapting to the environment, usually called his physical character. The second is physical condition factors. These factors can include in terms of physical disability and gender aspect. Someone who is experiencing physical disabilities tend to have a sense of disappointment with his living condition so that they can commit juvenile delinquency.
The next from the external factors is first is family environmental condition. The second is poor or the ineffective social context from community institution. The third is economic gap factor and political disintegration economic. And the fourth is factor of rapids. The next is for example. The first example is drugs. Most teenagers who use drugs start from a high curiosity that eventually they try the nicotine stuff. In some cases, these adolescents were also influenced by close friends who first used drugs. One example is a theft. Many of the adults think that theft is often committed by people over age 20. However, this is not the case. Many adolescents commit acts of the theft which are based on various factors. The third example is illegal street racing. Usually this one juvenile delinquency. is carried out by certain groups. Delinquency in with racing is certainly very dangerous for yourself because it can taking your life as well as disturb the surrounding environment. And the last examples, brawl. Since a long time ago, many media report about brawl between students. This juvenile delinquencies is carried out by groups of students from certain schools. This kind of juvenile delinquency is a little lately, but that can be said to have stopped completely. Those who do brawl are usually carried out between certain school students with various supporting factors. There are many other types of juvenile delinquency such as skipping school, drinking alcohol, gambling, and some even committing fraud. And the next is example of juvenile delinquency in the pandemic. Reporting from the galamedianews.com, during the COVID-19, the potential for delinquency among children in Solo saw an increasing indication. And the second cases reporting from the kabarsumbawa.com, in the midst of the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic cases, the increase in drug trafficking cases has hit almost all sub-districts and villages in the Sumbawa region. Not only adults, drugs have also affected various circles, especially children who are still underage. And the next is a solution from a role of parents. The first is instill a good parenting in children since prenatal and toddlers is important. Second is equipping children with moral and religious foundation. The third is understand good and effective communication between parent and children. The fourth is establish good cooperation with teachers and be a good role model for your children. And then teacher role. The first is friendly with student. Second is creating comfortable school condition. And the third is provide flexibility for students to express themselves in extracurricular activities. Next, adolescent and healthy living behavior. What is the characteristic of adolescents that get the healthy living behavior? The first is understand the purpose of life. Second, understand the factors inhibiting and supporting the development of maturity. The third is get along wisely. And the last is continuously improving. And the last is conclusion. Juvenile delinquency includes all behavior that deviates from the norm. This behavior harms oneself and others. This existence is caused by many factors from outside or from the other. Adolescents must get a good feature from the people around them of healthy life. The existence of motivation from family, teachers, friends can act as an antidote to juvenile delinquency. Adolescence is a short and very beautiful like the Wijaya Kusuma flower, which only bloom briefly. Don't waste your teenage years walking aimlessly. love yourself because life is a choice and a choice is a consequences. And the last that is only what I explained to you. I hope this is giving benefit for you and thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.